It's freeware. I strongly encourage it. It's been downloaded over by 100,000 people.
What is that again?
Foundations for Safety Leadership. If you search it right now, it'll pop up at the CPWR website. They have a full-on curriculum. They actually have, you can get training. They have taped their sessions. So these are 3 hour where I gave it was a 3 hour duration is what they gave me. It took 88 foremen out of work for 3 hours apiece to attend a training. And it's built upon a transformational leadership model. So Kevin Calloway from Canada was the Canadian psychology chair, filled that position for a number of years, and advocated transformational leadership. And this was align that organization, which is actually a distinguishing factor of successful organizations, is alignment with a vision, a mission, goals, values.
So the first year of running the program was pretty good. We started seeing a lot more engagement. We started seeing a lot more on-site toolbox talks and safety talks and inspections and reports and near-hit reporting and workers buying into it because it was being constantly messaged.
Safety doesn't have to be just for those working in certain sectors. It could happen to anybody, anywhere, and that's what we've been able to do. And also, it caused a rise in organizations in Nigeria where organizations now started visiting schools because they noticed that I was working with children, teaching children how to stay safe in different situations. And organizations began to buy into it to create more awareness. So nowadays, you will see people in residential estates calling for safety meetings. You will see people in places of worship calling for safety officers to come and speak to them because people now realize that it's beyond working in certain sectors. Safety is actually something that pervades all aspects of life. And so for the children, I wrote a child safety storybook series where we simplified safety tips through stories. Because I realized that when we visit schools to teach the children how to stay safe in different situations, when I would give them a story of something that had happened to another child, they could relate because sometimes they're ahead of this thing. So using the storybooks has been a hit with the parents, with the teachers, because children understand more when it's a story, when they are catching pictures, and also sometimes when the characters in the book look like them. And so that's what we've been able to do, and I'm glad to say that it has encouraged a lot of organizations in Nigeria to begin to do things.
My advice to you as safety people, don't flinch. Tell that to your supervisor. You only find what you're looking for. If you're not looking for it, you'll never see it. If you're doing an inspection, people doing a hazard assessment, give them something. Give them electrical or give them fall protection, but don't have them a whole bunch of subjects. Have them focus on what you see, and if you're looking for it, you'll find it.
I never look at workers as just workers. They're people. You talk to them, and you don't always talk about safety. You talk about sometimes your lives. A simple hi, hello every day will suffice. How are you doing? When they see that you care, they will listen. And it's really hard to do, and it takes time to sort of get into it. Because, how do I care? There's 46,000 people inside.
It's about building those personal relationships with the individuals that we're working with. If you don't do that, and you don't show them that you care, then they don't know. That old saying goes, people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care.